Hi everyone, and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to create an API key in Groq. First, let's quickly understand what Groq is. Groq is a high-performance AI hardware and software platform that enables ultra-fast inference for AI models. Developers use Groq's tools and APIs to run large language models and other AI workloads with low latency and high efficiency. Now, why do we create API keys? An API key is like a password that lets your application securely connect to Groq's platform. It helps Groq verify that your app or service has permission to access its resources, and it also helps keep your data safe and usage under control. All right, now let's walk through the process of creating your API key. First, go to groq.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on Dev Console from the top menu. Here, you have two options. You can create an API key directly from the Dev Console homepage. Or you can go to the left sidebar and click on API Keys. In the API Keys section, click on Create New API Key. You'll now be asked to enter a name for your API key. This name is just for your reference, especially useful if you plan to create multiple keys for different projects. Once you enter the name and confirm, Groq will generate your unique API key. Important: make sure to copy your API key now and save it in a secure place. Groq will not show it again after you close this screen, for your security, and that's it. You've successfully created an API key in Groq, and you're now ready to start integrating your applications with Groq's powerful AI platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful.